How to edit your profile on Threads. If you want to edit your profile on Threads, then follow these quick steps. Open up your Threads application and make sure that you're logged in. Log in with your Instagram account, and then once you're in, you'll end up in the main homepage. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right and you'll be able to see your profile. To edit your profile, tap on Edit Profile button on the left. You'll be able to see your name, bio, link, and private profile options. Go ahead and make any kind of a change. For example, you can edit a bio for yourself. After you are done entering the bio, tap on the tick mark at the top right, and then you can also add a link by tapping the link option. Select the privacy for your profile. If you want a private profile, toggle on the button right next to private profile. If you want to keep your profile to public, disable the button, and after you are done updating your profile according to your preference, you can tap the done button at the top right to save the changes. If you want to edit your name and username, then you'll need to do this on your Instagram account since your name and username is synced with Instagram account. That is how you'll be able to edit your profile on Threads. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these quick videos like this. Thank you for watching.